Alright, hello again, folks. Simon Wolfable here. I have actually just found the link to One Guy, One Screwdriver. Now, I haven't seen this, and yeah, well, here it goes. I'm gonna see how this goes, and well, yeah. What the fuck?
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh my god. Who the fuck enjoys that kind of crap? Ah! Ah! The guy's peeing blood. Dude. Who the fuck enjoys that kind of crap? Seriously. Okay, that's fucked up. Um, yeah, I don't know why something like that's on the internet. No, not only for the fact that I've actually seen neo-Nazis, but seriously, who the fuck shoves a screwdriver handle up there? Oh, I feel kind of sick, but not sick enough. Still, the challenge is out there, everybody. You send me a video that actually makes me throw up. $50 right there. Yeah. Until next time, if I find another link or if somebody sends me one, yeah. Alright, later, folks.